Hello everyone. If you have not subscribed to my channel Mastering Minds Hub, then I would urge you to first go and subscribe to it. Today I'm going to share with all of you a very important concept, and if you have understood this concept, my dear friends, you will be able to have a complete transformed year of 2022. I'm sure that by now you all would have made your own resolutions once again for this 2022. Only 2 days left and we will be in a new year. Now, what is one thing which is not allowing us to achieve what we want to achieve? That is the question which I wanted to take it today. And it is nothing but the perceptions. Perceptions about how I feel about me, what I think I can do it. These are the perceptions. Perceptions are nothing but the lie which we are telling to ourselves day in and day out. And the problem is that we are not aware that whether we are telling this lie to ourselves or not. So first we have to understand that these perceptions, if it has not broken, we will never be able to fly high. We will never be able to achieve anything in our life. And what is the main reason for the behavior which we are having currently, which is not allowing me to achieve success, is nothing but the perceptions, right? So let's move ahead and see and understand this particular story, and I'm sure that you all would have once at least heard about this story. A small baby elephant who is tied with a small rope. Now he tried many times to break that rope, but he has not been able to do that. And slowly he became a giant elephant. But he is still living with that thoughts, with that perceptions that I will not be able to break this rope because I have tried many times when I was small and I have not been able to do it. And because of which he has been tied to that rope, even if he is having the potential to break that very easily. Now, my question to all of you, are you living your life having these perceptions? Are you living your life telling this lie to yourself? And if yes, then the time has come that we live our life with this new principle. And that is what we call it as transformation principle. Now, what is this transformation principle? If you see, there is a butterfly, right? So earlier, the butterfly was there in the cocoon, and then how it has broken that cocoon and then came out and started flying. Now, what is this cocoon in our own life is nothing but the lies which we are telling to ourselves, the beliefs which we carry, a baggage of beliefs which we carry with ourselves. It's very important that once we break and start telling ourselves the truth and break that lie, then we will be able to transform ourselves. So, the two principles which I wanted to share with all of you, the two components of that principle, transformation principle, is nothing but first is stop telling lie to yourself. And if you see, the word believe itself carry L-I-E, nothing but lie. The belief what I am having is because of the lie I am telling to myself. And if the certain belief I am having which is not allowing me to grow in my life, then there is something which is my perception not allowing me to achieve that. So identify that lie and stop telling this lie to yourself. And the second thing which we have to do is that we have to tell truth to ourselves and have the trust in the truth which you are saying. So for an example, you have tried many a times to reduce your weight, but you are not able to do that. Over a period of time, because of the repetitive failures, you have now started telling to yourself that this time I will not do it only. Why? Because I have tried many times, I have always failed. So this time I will not try itself. Now, here we have to understand one thing, that a lie which we are telling to ourselves, that if I have failed 100 times, there is no hard and fast rule that 101 time I will again fail. So this is the lie which we are telling to ourselves, that because I have failed many times, again I will fail. So we need to break this lie and we need to replace it with the truth that even if I have tried and failed 100 or 1000 times, this is the one more time I will try. And I will try and trust on whatever I am trying to do it. will work, will give me the results. So let's, this year when we are making our resolutions, first ask yourself that if you have made the same resolution last year, this year how it is going to be different. This year I will identify the lie which I am telling to myself, which is making my belief system, break that and start telling the truth to myself and believe in that and start taking actions, right? So with this, I would like to once again tell you all, please go subscribe to my channel, comment and share it with your friends, because my mission is that 100,000 families should live their life with peace, and that will happen only when they will break their beliefs, which is not allowing them to become happy. They will believe in their self potential, right? So a very happy and prosperous new year to all of you. Let's make 2022 a great year for all of us. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.